You guys, today we're going to be opening up this Disney Doorables Let's Go on Vacation mega set, and I found this at Walmart. Now this set has 15 figures and 2 vehicles included, one of them being the exclusive Donald Duck. There are 6 mystery figures, and then there are 7 figures you can see right off the bat. Now I don't know if they're the same for every box, I didn't check, but for this one we've got Tigger, Mickey Mouse, Anna, Marie, Clarabelle Cow, Peter Pan, and Minnie Mouse. Here's the back of the box just in case you guys want to see it. Now let's go ahead and open it up together so we could see what mystery figures we get. This would be a great Christmas gift if you guys want to add it to your Christmas list. I would love to get this. So let's go ahead and open up this door first, and this one should have the 6 mystery figures, but let's find out together. And there are the 6 mystery doors. Let's see who's behind them. First one is Mr. Pascal. Let's see who else we get. Mike Wazowski. Next door. Mickey Mouse with some cotton candy. Door number 4. Mickey Mouse with the surfboard. Door number 5. Miss Tinkerbell. This one's so cute, you guys. And one more mystery door. Let's see who is hiding behind this one. And it's cute little Winnie the Pooh. Let's go ahead and close this up. We got our 6 mystery figures. Now let's check out what's behind this door. And it's going to be a mystery vehicle and character. But first, let's check out the checklist that comes with it. And here they are. The International Getaway, Snowy Getaway, Tropical Getaway. Then we've got the Camping Getaway, Amusement Getaway, and then all of the vehicles you could get. And the exclusive Donald Duck one. Now let's open the vehicle first and see if we can guess what character we got. And can you guys guess already? Do you know whose car this belongs to? The cute little presents on the back and the shells. Let's open the character now. And we've got the one and only Ariel. Look how cute she is, you guys. I love this car. Then she sits right there, and she's all ready to go. Now I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of the characters out of here, and I will show you guys them up close. Now let me go ahead and show you guys the 7 characters that come with every box. And we've got Miss Elsa, Marie, Mickey Mouse with his flashlight, Clarabelle Cow, Minnie Mouse, Mr. Peter Pan with his ice cream cone. And last but not least, we've got Mr. Tigger ready for his little safari trip. Now for the exclusive figure, we've got Mr. Donald Duck himself. And then we've got his vehicle with his little luggage on the back. This is so cute. And then he sits right in here. If I can put him in, he's a little difficult. And there he is. I'm so glad I get to add this to my collection. So now I want to go ahead and tell you guys which ones are common, rare, super rare, ultra rare, and then of course we know that this one is the exclusive. But Mr. Mike Wazowski, he is a common, and then we've got Winnie the Pooh, and he's actually an ultra rare. And I believe, let's see, Tinkerbell, she's an ultra rare as well, so that's pretty good. Miss Clarabelle Cow in the back is a rare. Then Mr. Mickey Mouse with the flashlight, he is a rare as well. And then Miss Marie is a common. This aerial vehicle is a common as well. Miss Minnie Mouse right here at the front, she is a common. Mickey Mouse with the surfboard, he is a rare. Mickey Mouse with the cotton candy, that one is a common. Then we got cute Mr. Pascal, who is also a common. Miss Elsa over here, she is a rare. Peter Pan, let's see, Peter Pan is a common. And then Mr. Tigger, I believe, let's see, Tigger is a ultra rare as well. So we did pretty good, you guys. We pulled some really good characters. Now, out of all the characters I got today in this box, let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. If you haven't already, please subscribe, give this video a like, and I will see you guys next time.